welcome to AKG Memorial. Okay, so the question for the day says that 10 years ago, the average age of A and B was 30 years. Okay, so we have 10 years ago, A's age was A minus 10 and B's age was B minus 10. Now we are given that their average age was 30. So we have A minus 10 plus B minus 10 whole divided by a 2 would gives us 30, right? So simplifying this, we have A plus B. Now minus 10 gives us a minus 20. And on the right we have 30 multiplied with a 2, that gives us a 60. So it is A plus B is equal to 60 plus 20. That is A plus B is equal to 80. Right? Now coming to the second part, that says that 8 years hence, that is 8 years later, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 5:7. So we have 8 years later, their ages was A plus 8 and B plus 8, right? So A plus 8 divided by a B plus 8 would give us 5:7, that is a 5/7. Okay, now cross multiply. So we have 7 into A plus 8 is equal to 5 into a B plus 8. Okay, that is 7A plus 7 8s are 56 is equal to 5B plus 5 into 8 gives us a 40. So we have this. Now carefully if we see, we have A here and we have B here. Okay, so it would be more logical that we would find the value of B, because see the third part, it says that C 5 years ago was 7/9 of the age of B 3 years ago. So ultimately we have to find the value of B. So if we substitute the value of A in terms of B, so we can find the value of B from this whole equation here. So what do we want to do is we want to find the value of A in terms of B, and that is A is equal to 80 minus B. So we are substituting that here. That is 80 minus B plus 56 is equal to 5B plus 40. Okay. So that is 560 minus 7B plus 56 is equal to 5B plus 40. Okay, now taking all the constants to the left, we have 560 plus 56 minus 40, and all the variables to the right we have 5B plus 7B. Okay, now this is 576 is equal to 12B. That is B is equal to 48. That is the current age of B is 48. Now we have to find the value, that is the age of B 3 years ago. So 3 years ago B's age was what? 48 was the current. So 48 minus 3 gives us a 45. So 3 years ago B's age was 45. Now what is given? That 5 years ago C's age was 7/9 of the age of B 3 years ago. So we have C minus 5 is equal to 7/9 into B's age 3 years ago, that was 45. So this is a 5, and hence we have C minus 5 is equal to 35. So we have C is equal to 35 plus 5, which is a 40. Hence C's current age is 40. That is option A is the right answer.